The climate in the Atlantic region. So the Atlantic Ocean has an important effect on the Atlantic region's climate. The ocean keeps the climate moist and generally moderate. Winters are long but mild. Summers are quite cool. Winter temperatures average around -2 degrees Celsius, and summer temperatures average around 15 degrees Celsius. Closer to the Bay of Fundy, temperatures are warmer due to the presence of the Gulf Stream. So the Atlantic Ocean effect. The Atlantic Ocean affects the wind in this region and can bring in storms. The different provinces in the Atlantic region are all affected by the ocean in different ways. For example, Prince Edward Island is surrounded by the ocean, which makes its weather unpredictable. Precipitation. The proximity to the Atlantic Ocean means that rain, snow, and thick fog are all common forms of precipitation in this region. Peggy's Cove Lighthouse. This famous lighthouse is located in Peggy's Cove, Nova Scotia. This famous lighthouse was first built in 1868. An oil lamp and reflector were used to create a bright guiding light for ships making their way into St. Margaret's Bay. In 1958, the lighthouse's oil lamp mechanism was replaced with an automatic light. The lighthouse was at one point very important to those out at sea trying to make their way to land, especially during thick fog and other poor conditions.